Hey guys, Barbara here. Are you ready for your site to go live? I got your back. Now that you have seen how to create websites and set them up for what you need, it's time to understand exactly what happens when you are ready to publish. You can choose who gets to see your site and if you would like it to be visible with only those in your organization or to everyone on the internet. This does depend on how your admin console has been set up. If there is an option that you are looking for that is unavailable, be sure to contact your admin console administrator to find out more. Let's explore the options you have when you are ready to publish your site. Your site is ready to go live. Use your Publish button up here to make a few decisions and publish your site. When you select Publish, a window will open. Here, you will decide what web address gets used for your site. Whatever you type into the bar over here will be added to the end of your URL. Because this site is within your organization, it will automatically have the domain URL appear here. All sites will begin with site.google.com. If you want to add a custom domain, contact your admin console administrator and they will be able to assist you. This will now be your site URL. The next setting over here determines who gets to see your website. Notice how the site is automatically made available to those within your domain. I will select Manage to show you all the options that you have available to you. This is your sharing screen. If you want to add a collaborator to your site, you can do that here. This link section is currently what we are interested in. When you click here, you will find the options for publishing. Here, you will see that when the site is published, anyone in your organization will be able to find and open the site. If you don't want your site to be available to everyone within the domain to be able to view it, choose to have your site as restricted. When you select this option, you will have to manually share the site with each person you want to have access to it. Let's say that I would like this published version of my site to be available to Tabo and Luke only. I will type their names in and instead of leaving this as editor rights, switch over to the publisher viewer. Only Tabo and Luke will now be able to see the published site. You are able to do this with anyone who has a Google account. Simply share the site with them and they will be able to see it. If someone tries to open the site who does not have access to it, they will be unable to do so and they will see this screen. The other options you have are to make the site available to anyone within your domain, as we discussed earlier. The final option is to make the site available to the public. Doing this will mean that anyone on the internet can find and open this website. Once you have done all of this, choose to publish. Your site will now be live. Notice that next to Publish, a little drop-down arrow has now appeared. From here, you can choose to see the publishing settings, to view the published site, or to unpublish it should you no longer want it to be available. Each time you make an edit to your website once it's been published, those changes will not pull through. When you want your changes to be live, you need to press Publish again. This allows you to work on your website and edit the content, and when you are ready, you will hit that Publish button. Enjoy sharing your websites with others. We hope that you find that they add value and inspire you to get creative.